Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. I'm sorry that I didn't film. I never uploaded the video yesterday. I'm doing it now because I didn't have time. I was really knackered from last week, to be honest, and I just was flattened out. But yeah, I'm filming now. If you enjoy this video, then give a big thumbs up, and I will. And let's get on to the video. So I got this idea from Anna Saccone Jolie, or Anna Saccone, it's the channel, and it was last year, actually, around now, last year today. She uploaded our in tip section, packing for kids, and I saw this. She allowed us to screenshot it, and I did, and I've written it in here. My journaling pad. Oh, how can I show you without the light reflecting on it? I think that's the only way. Jot notes. I'm going out to my auntie Bear's for the half term, and my half term is from the 16th to the 25th, so around 10 days. And then the week the week after my half term, the first week, from the 26th to the 2nd of March, 26th of February to the 2nd of March, I got my assessments, so I need to revise. Yeah, assessments are just an easier way. We have them so we get used to of GCSEs. So these are my books I have to take. So it's biology, chemistry, physics, English, free tech folder, geography, child development, RE, maths, revision folder, and my planner. I'm in year 10 now, if you didn't know. That's why child development there, because you can't do that for like the last 2 years. So this is my packing list. Oh god. So if you want to photocopy it, then you can now. Right. So we have 4 categories, which is clothes, toiletries, miscellaneous, and toys. I'm not going to read out the clothes, but the things I will read out apart from underwear, because you know. So outfits, you have to have clothes to survive, especially in winter. I mean, you need them all year round, but especially in winter, it's like horrible. 7 outfits, 8 pairs of socks, 3 pairs of PJs, hairballs, shoes, coat, hat, scarf, and gloves, plus underwear. Toys, phone, laptop, revision books, extension lead, cables, and 1 book. My revision books hopefully, touch wood. Oh, that's shaken, sorry. We'll do it. Yeah, it would wobble if I did the bottom one. Should be back here. I should have them on Thursday, because I put in the list last Thursday, and it says it took up to a week to get them, and I can collect them myself. So yeah, toiletries, shampoo, and conditioner. Most teenagers probably use only shampoo, but my hair is so fragile, I have to use conditioner. Toothbrush and toothpaste. I use an Oral-B and electric toothbrush. Mouthwash, also Oral-B. Wipes, baby oil, Zola bits, because I can never ever go anywhere without literally one Zola bit. Hairspray, hair protection spray, dry shampoo, curlers / body cream, and that's it. We might go out, so I might add 1 dress to the clothes, but I don't know if we're going out, so I'll just bring 1 dress anyway in case we do, but because I just want to be like that, I'll bring 1 summer dress and 1 casual dress because I'm thinking, hopefully, fingers crossed, it might be a few summer days. Quite summery days because last Wednesday it was so summery. Miscellaneous now. Now, I need to talk to you. There's a story about miscellaneous. It's basically like a medical cabinet. Oh, I said wait, is it this one? In clothes, I mentioned hair bubbles. I'm going to put them in this Zoella makeup bag, wallet kind of thing, because it's like the white size, perfect size. Sorry about that, I had to get my mum's phone. So I just found literally one of these. It's a hair bubble. And put it in the bag. Any hair bubbles I find on my floor or anywhere, they're going to go in there. See? So I have to run back upstairs. But yeah, so yeah, last 2016 summer, I got very ill. I went to my dad's. Was ill. I was there for 2 weeks. I was at my mum's for 2 weeks. My dad's for 2 weeks. I was there a week at my holiday. That was 5 weeks. We get 6 weeks. Then the other week I went out to my auntie Bev. Well, we did go to Paynton and up to Bears. I did have to stay in a few days. No, sorry. Went up to Bears because Paynton and my cats this year, sorry. And I got ill at my dad's. What's this piece of hair doing? Oh, and yeah. So I always had to buy bring a medicine cabinet kind of thing in case I get ill. So I got Calpol, cow cough, syringes, nose spray, extra tissue, snacks, because, you know, don't know when we're going to leave on Saturday or Sunday. So, you know, snacks will be vital. Wipes and school books. And that's basically my my packing list, really. And I am going to, on tomorrow, I'm hopefully going to finish this room today, and tomorrow I'm going to film for next Friday. I'm pre-filming tomorrow. I'm filming again tomorrow for Friday's video, what I'm taking. I mean, you know what you've seen, but you don't know what I'm going to actually grab out of my drawers or my wardrobe. There's more drawers out there on my, so I have all these. These actually broken. They were not built in right, so we need to get either rid of these or buy new ones. I think we already bought new ones anyway. But yeah, that's it. And I'm going to show you what things I might bring. One casual, one like a dressy dress, if we go out, and one relaxing summer dress in case it's a sunny day. There probably won't be, but you never know. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm sorry about the ringtone, I had to collect it. But yeah. Tell me what you're doing for your half term, because I would love to know, and I hope you have a good day. I mean, it's not long till Easter now. I was seeing so many Easter eggs in shops, and I am gonna get some before they all go, because I need to get some for my family. I'm still writing this, which one's the name from which. Oh, this will probably be the medicines bag. So yeah. So I hope. So yeah, it should be the it should have been the makeup, not the makeup. Sorry, the my wash bag, because it says it's all about bathing. Don't ask me why it says that, but it has. I hope you like this video. We'll get a big thumbs up if you did. Write your comments what I want to do and what you're doing the half term. And subscribe, press the little bell, do all the stuff you know what you have to do. And I'll see you next on Sunday for a vlog. I'll record Sunday and I'll put it like quite late in the evening / night. And then I'll see you on Friday for the packing, where I put my suitcase / packing bag. Bye guys!